sentences. 1. The meeting will be at 10 o'clock. 2. She will be very happy with the key. 3. The result will be announced next week. 4. This place will be crowded during the festival. 5. He will be the best player in the team. 6. Your order will be delivered tomorrow. 7. We will be waiting for you at the station. 8. By this time tomorrow, I will be flying to London. 9. The project will be finished soon. 10. They will be responsible for the new plan.